The first fold today is the kite fold. We call it the kite fold because the final shape looks like a classic kite. To make strong, even creases, it is best to fold on a table or other hard, flat surface. First, fold the square exactly in half diagonally, like this. Align the corner and the side edges and give that fold a good crease. Then, take one edge of your paper and fold it in towards the crease you just made. Line it up with that crease and give that new fold a good crease. Do the same thing with the other side. Line it up with that center crease, fold it in, and give it a good crease. And you've made a kite fold. The kite fold is a base for many origami forms. You'll need to make 8 of these kite folds for today's project.